Hello dear children, myself is Chidanand. I am first degree black belt. Today I am going to take you a regular taekwondo session for yellow belt and green stripe children. In this session we are going to practice two kicks. The first one is turning kick and the second one is back kick. So we will also practice in these kicks measuring kicks. So we practice in turning kick measuring as well as back kick measuring also. So let's start the session. Jumbi, chariot, kyungi, taekwondo, hands down, right hand up, straight and so. I shall observe the tenets of taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands down. 5 tenets of taekwondo: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Jubi. So first, before going to that, practice that kicks, we will practice some warm-up. Jubi, hands up, stretch, turn the side, turn the side and look at your palm up, hands, slowly touch your toes, up, okay, free your hands, hands up, hands rotation like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So change the reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hands straight, pull back now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, shoulders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change hands here, keep hands like this and go for tongue twist. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hands on the hip, change 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and touch your toes and push your front line. 1, touch your toes and push. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Jimmy? Okay, children, we'll go for some jumping jacks and some burpees. Okay, so first we will start with the jumping jacks. Everyone stand at attention. We will go for 30 jumping jacks. Okay, if you want, you can do more, but here I am going to perform only 30 jumping jacks. Attention, jumping jacks. See, jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax for 10 seconds or we can take some more. When you are going to knit your dress, you must turn your left, knit your dress like this, okay? After that, again you can come back to this position. That's a discipline, taekwondo discipline. Okay, and then feet apart like this. Okay, touch your toes and push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now go for alternate toe touch now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you can go for side squats. Okay, children. Okay. So before side squat, I want to do some more stretching exercise here. So for what you go for? You go for lunge stretching exercise. Means like I'll show you. You just turn your right, okay, and push hip front legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change this side now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. Okay. Now the same. This time you have to keep the heel up like this and stretch. Hands here. Okay. About back straight. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. Okay, children. Now I'm going to perform some burpee jumps. Okay. I'm going to perform 10 burpee jumps. Everyone come to this position. Okay. First I'll show you what is burpee. Okay, regular burpee. It would be in this position. 1, jump up, again go back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, relax. Relax yourself for 10 seconds, or you want some more, you can do. Okay, free your hands. Free your legs. Hands up hip. Touch your toes and push like 1, 2, 3, 4. Feet apart. Everyone. Go for windmill exercise or alternate toe touch. I'll show you what is that. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, children. Now I'll perform some side sit-ups. Feet apart like this. 10 side sit-ups. Okay. Keep hands straight or catch your wrist. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So, you okay, children? So after this all thing, you can go for side stretching exercise or side split. Feet apart like this. push-ups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now put your hands on in diamond shape and touch your forehead and stay there for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Now go for front stretching. Okay, you turn like this. Put your hands down. Hands other side. Okay, be in this position for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Same other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Relax for few seconds. Okay, children. So my body is totally warmed up now nicely. Okay, and I'm having full good stretching also. So in between, if you're feeling thirsty or tired, you can take some rest and you can have a sip of water. Okay, keep your body hydrated. Okay, children. So let's start the kicks now. So first I am going to show you what is turning kick. Okay, from this good Jumbi. Right leg back, fighting stance. 1. Okay, this is for fighting stance. You keep your right leg back and go for this position. From here, so I am going to perform front leg turning kick. Okay, first lift your knee. Okay, you have to turn. Okay, 3. Here, back. Okay, children. Once again, 1. Okay, 2, 3. Here, back. Very easy it is. Okay, same one. Change your leg. Okay, front leg. Okay, 1. Up. Lift your, raise your knee as much as high. 2. Turn. Okay, you can see my feet here. Hitting tool is ready for kick. 3. Here, back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here, back. Okay, I'll show you this view now. Jumbi, right leg back, fighting stance. Over 1. So here, same. 1. Up. 2. Turn. 3. Back. Okay. 1. Up. 2. Turn. See the target. Okay. 3. Back. Okay, children. Now same other leg in this view. Okay. You just turn like this. 1. Okay. Don't do this. This side. 2. 3. Here. Back. Again hands in. 1. Okay. Knee up. 2. 3. Here. Clear, children? Jumbi. So here, keep it in your mind. When you're going for kick, you have to clench your leg like this. Okay? You can see the shape. Clench your leg like this. Okay? And the hitting tool is in step. This part. This part. Okay? See the properly. Okay? This part. Not this part or not this part. Here. Exact here. Okay, children? So one more time I am going to show you in 1 count. Okay? Right leg back. Fighting stance. 1. Okay, 1 count, 1 kick now. 1. First slowly. Okay, same. Change. Okay, 1. Slowly. Jumping. Okay, children. So this is called turning kick by using front leg, or you can call it as 45-degree angle turning kick. Okay, 45-degree angle turning kick means you have to use front leg only. Okay, if front leg is front, you have to use front leg turning kick. If right leg is front, sorry children, if right leg is front, you have to use right leg turning kick. If the left leg is front, then you have to use left leg only. So, okay, so this is front leg turning kick or 45-degree angle turning kick. So I am going to show you measuring now. Okay, so before I told you, by practicing measuring kick, you can improve your leg strength or thigh strength, and also your kick will become sharp. Means you can improve your accuracy of your kick. Okay children, so I am going to show you measuring kick now. Jo bhi in this view, right leg back, fighting stance 1. So 1 means up, knee high. 2, turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. Okay. So when you going for kick, you imagine your target there, and you have to use hitting tool on the target. You have to kick, okay, on the target. You have to imagine the target. Okay children, and this side same in this leg now. Up 1, okay, turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jubi. Okay, so this is okay. This is called measuring. Okay, like this you can increase your sharpness of your kick, accuracy of your kick, and strength of your leg also. Okay, now I am going to show you back kick now. Okay, first okay, in this position now it will be right leg back, fighting stance 1. Sorry children, I will show you this. Okay, first I will show you what is back kick. Okay, in slow motion. Okay, back kick 1, turn. Okay, 2, back. Okay, once again. Okay, 1, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Jumbi. So in back kick, heel is the hitting tool. Okay children, in back kick, heel is the hitting tool. Okay, so but I will tell you, before going to practice by heel, you practice first back side facing kick. Okay, so I will show you what is side facing kick. You just okay, you can practice in back kick 2 counts when you are going for side facing kick. Okay, it's called back side facing kick. Jumbi, right leg back fighting stance like this first. So one kick 2 counts. First turn 1. Okay, and when you turn, see, when I am going to turn, I am turning my lower body. You can see my feet. I turn 1. Okay, and along with this, I will see the target from right side. Slightly bend your knee and see the target from right side. Okay, or if the left leg is back, you have to turn from left side. If the right leg is back, you have to turn from right side. If the left leg is back, then you have to turn from left side. Okay, keep your left leg back. 1, turn, slightly bend your knee, and okay, and see the target. And here you have to go for back kick by left leg. So this leg is left leg. So what you will do now? From in this position, I will go for side kick. Okay, like this. Very easy children. Okay, once again I will show you. Okay, left leg back. Okay, turn 1. See the target. Sorry. See the target. Okay, from here 2. So this is basic. So what I am doing now here, for first count I will turn, and second count I will go for side kick. Okay, so that's why it's called back side facing kick. So once if you become good in this, so later you can practice one count, one kick. Okay, so like this. 1, 2. So once you become good in backside facing kick, then you go for back kick by using heel. Even the side kick, hitting with his heel, but what we are doing, we keep plunging like a blade. Okay, like this. Okay, but in back kick, the proper back kick will come like this. The toe will be down. Okay, you can call it as the pig face shape. You know, pig. It looks like a pig face shape. Okay. So here, once again, I am going to perform by right leg now. 1, same back side facing kick. 1, this is the target from right side because my right leg is back. Okay. 2. Sorry. 2. Clear, children? So this is back side facing kick. Okay. So once you become good in this, later you can practice like this. Or if you are feeling difficult even in this also, you can make it 3 count. I'll show how. Right leg back. Okay. 1, turn. 2, slowly. Okay, position. 2, then this is the target. See, my body is here only. I'm not turning my chest this side. Okay, my body is here. You can keep your hands here. Okay. Okay, see the target for 2, 3. So go for kick. Okay, children. So after that, after the 3, you can practice 2 counts. After that, you can practice 1 count, 1 back kick. Okay. So I will go for. So you play with the back side facing kick now. So I will go for back kick now. Okay, both are same only. Don't get confused. But in we are going through basic. So first we practice basic, then go for back kick. So like that. Okay, children. So I will go for back side facing kick. One more time I will clarify that. Okay, I will clear that. See, 1. This is a right leg back, vertical stance. Turn. Okay, my body is here. You can keep hands here. Okay. See, my chest is here. Like that. From here, I will just touch my leg. From right side to the target. This is 1, 2, and from here 3. Just slowly stretch your leg. From here, stretch, kick, and back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. So like this you can practice back kick. The same by measuring now. In measuring, what is simple? What do you do? What you should do in measuring? Okay. So here, same 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same by other leg. Okay. 1. Okay, so that from left side because my left leg is left. 2, 3, 4, 5. My body is here only. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can after kick, you can kick and come to this position. Okay. So which is comfort for you, you can practice that. Okay, children. So like this, you can practice back kick, turning kick, and also along with that, practice measuring also. Okay, children. So if you are feeling difficulty in both, so especially when you are practicing measuring or okay, you are getting imbalance, you can hold a chain or you can take a wall support. If the wall is there, you can keep both the hands on the wall like this. First practice in this place. 1. Okay, this is the wall. Just imagine this is the wall. I am keeping my hands on the wall. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, 10 counts like this and 10 counts like this. Okay, children. Even turning kick also, you can keep one hand on the wall like this and you can go for turning kick. Understood, children? Okay. So this is how you have to practice turning kick and back kick. So I want while practicing, practice slowly with 100% concentration. Okay, children? So okay, I hope you clear with all the things. Okay, children? So practice nicely in home. So after this, now I am going to perform some cooling down exercise. Okay. See, after this all the things activities, all activity, your legs are soaring, your muscles are soaring. So for that you need to do cooling down exercise. Okay, you have to do stretching and cooling down properly. So I will show you, okay, how to do the cooling down or stretching for leg soaring. Okay, so muscle soaring. Just one, change to maximum. Okay, change like this. Like, okay, you should be in this position for 5 counts or 10 counts. Okay, change like this. Okay, change. Okay, change. Okay, now same, change like this. Look up. Sorry. Change. Okay, children, we'll go for back bridge. After that, this is the last exercise. After that, we'll wind up the class. Okay, lay down. Sorry. Okay, you have to do some. If you want to perform some abdomen exercise, you can do abdomen exercise. I'll show you how to do abdomen exercise. Okay, keep your legs straight, very easy exercise. Hands straight like this. Okay, one. Touch your toes, again back. Two. Slowly. Three. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax for few seconds in this position. After this, we'll go back bridge. Okay, this is the last exercise. Back bridge is very good for your back conditioning. It will increase your back flexibility. Okay, ready? Take position like this. Ready? Start. One. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Relax, children. After the all exercise, you should be in this position for 10 seconds. Slowly stand up. Turn your left. Knee to your braces. Check your belt. Turn this side. Chill it. Kyugi. Take one. Most of back. Go to your class. Take one. Take one. Okay, children. All the best. Stay at home. Practice nicely. Stay home and stay safe. Bye, children. Have a nice day.